Megan,
for what?
go for it.
Okay. Has anybody here ever had soju before?
No.
No. How do you spell that?
All right. S-O-J-U.
Okay.
So it's a Korean alcohol, and it can be made from a variety of different sources. It's very unregulated, and it's still unregulated to this day. It's kind of in between in terms of alcohol content between a wine and a vodka. So it has a very vodka-y finish, but the flavor ones are very fruit-forward, so you don't even taste the alcohol until the very
that's
end.
dangerous.
It's very dangerous. I've gotten schnockered on these a couple of times. So, we can pick our flavors. We have an assortment of flavors here. So this is original flavor. This is flavorless soju. Well, flavorless. It's not any fruit
Obviously,
flavor.
it doesn't taste like water.
No, it tastes kind of like a very, very smooth vodka. It goes down very easily. So we can try that one first if we want.
Or we have cherry Coke
Or we have
flavor.
exactly. So we have pomegranate, we have strawberry, we have plum, we have watermelon, apple, and grapefruit, and there's tons of other flavors besides.
Well, if I'm going to pour
Yes.
for my dear friends here,
There you go.
I'm going to pour, at least two of us have a favorite thought on the grapefruit flavor.
Yes.
We're all going to try it at the same time.
Let's see.
Some
That's
of us
like
are gonna
1,
have
2,
a
3,
taller
4,
drink
5,
than-
6, 7 shots.
We don't have to do all of them. I brought a variety.
Grapefruit.
Grapefruit. Here we go.
Grapefruit.
All right.
There
Ready?
you go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yum.
It is
yummy,
good,
yummy, yummy.
right?
That's refreshing. Wait a second. Is there actually alcohol
There
in that?
is alcohol in it, and everybody
Do you
says...
really have to just have a shot of that?
You can have
just
more.
Can
You
you just drink the bottle?
I mean, you could. If you drink the whole bottle, it is definitely like having at least 2 to 3 beers. And it hits you
Wow.
really fast. Yeah.
Wow.
So another
try
really
another one.
interesting thing about soju is that it's the most produced alcohol in the world, and it's also the most consumed alcohol in the world, and the only place that drinks it that much is Korea, 6 times the amount of almost anywhere
And
else.
how do you know all this about?
Because I researched.
Oh.
And is soju like a nut? Or
It can be made from wheat, it can be made from corn, it can be made from barley, it can be made from all sorts of different things. The more modern ones are actually distilled from potatoes or some sort of root vegetable. So
I think we should try the pomegranate.
yeah.
Love it.
I won't pour it quite as much.
No.
All right, pomegranate.
Here we
Here we
go.
go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I think we'll like this
Cheers.
one better.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I like
Oh
that
yeah.
one. That's a good one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Pomegranate's a favorite. All right. So
So this isn't like taking a shot of like,
no, not a vodka. We can do the whole thing if you want.
what's next?
Oh, so it's not as strong. It's not
as
like
strong
80
as vodka.
proof.
No.
Is what you're saying.
No. Okay. No.
Well, then we're safe.
We're safe.
All right.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna try.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. All right.
Hey, don't start thinking like her. I don't need 2 of you.
No, she was thinking like me.
This is watermelon.
Watermelon. Cheers.
Here we go.
Cheers.
Oh, it smells really good.
That tastes like watermelon candy.
Ooh.
Whoa.
It's
That's
definitely watermelon.
dangerous.
Wow.
Oh, that's a little bit too sweet.
That's a
Oh,
little
no.
too sweet for me too. It definitely
No
tastes
way.
like a candy.
Oh, is anyone getting tipsy yet?
Not yet.
Not
No.
yet.
As I was walking up here, saying I need to get something savory to eat.
Yes.
Now you're having something sweet to drink.
Cheers to
Okay.
the apple.
Yeah,
Green
it's
apple.
the green apple.
These like Granny Smith apples.
Yeah.
Oh,
It
yeah.
smells like Granny Smith.
Oh, like an apple martini.
That's
It
good.
does.
Tastes like an apple martini.
Now, am I taking a case of this home?
Yes.
You can find them at Awachimaya stores all over the Pacific.
Oh, this is like a sales call.
Hi, Awachimaya! All right, so we got
Alright.
plum, strawberry, and original left.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. I'm
Yes.
curious about the strawberry. Do you want to pour this time?
No.
Or no?
No,
Okay.
are you
No.
kidding me?
No.
Cindy, pour.
Don't ever let me pour.
Cheers. Yes.
Cheers!
I can drink you guys under the table.
Uh-huh.
Excuse me.
That one was,
Excuse me.
that was strawberry?
That was
Yeah.
strawberry.
All right.
It was a lot lighter than
I am
thought.
still going back to the grapefruit and pomegranate.
That was the best.
Grapefruit still.
Yeah.
So we have one.
We have
We have
plum
two
and then we
more.
have original.
If you drank the whole bottle, is that like having 2 shots of straight vodka?
I had a whole bottle last night and
What
I was
flavor?
fine. The
Grapefruit.
grapefruit.
Oh, you're done.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
to
This is
plum.
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 Pita?
Plum did it in the library.
Oh, whoa.
With a candlestick.
Whoa. That's very
That's
plum.
Oh,
That is
plum is
really
good.
That is very
Pl-
plummy.
My
Wait.
favorite so far. No,
Mm.
plum and
Here we go.
Grapefruit,
Grapefruit.
pomegranate.
Plum.
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 Now
Green
we might
apple.
change the order here. Plum,
Yeah.
Green apple.
apple.
Strawberry over watermelon or watermelon over strawberry?
We did strawberry already?
I don't.
Yeah, we did do
Yeah.
strawberry.
I'm
It was
thinking
kind of
watermelon.
light.
I like the plum the best. Even
Really?
though I love everything grapefruit.
All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I agree with,
Okay,
I
now-
agree with Peter's
Oh my
order.
God. Plain.
Plain. So
Maybe-
we're gonna see how
maybe
it's
we should've
supposed
started
to
with
taste.
plain.
Probably should. Our palate is not clean.
The original soju.
Original.
Yeah. Woo.
Nope.
Yeah.
No.
No.
That is like taking a shot of
That's
alcohol.
just
That is
no
a
fun.
shot of
Vodka,
alcohol.
straight
We
vodka.
should have started with that because now my
We should have
palate
started
isn't
with that.
sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So.
Yeah. And actually, we should be a little bit fairer to the non-flavored one,
Should we?
because we're going to recommend to the world that they start with that one.
Yeah.
There
with
you
that
go.
Because I think we got demented going with the
I think
flavored.
We got
Yes.
so excited.
Yes.
I did.
Putting it
yeah.
gently.
Definitely. And I can't even talk straight. I'm Kelly, Queen Bee Mixology. My sidekick Cindy.
That's me.
My assistant Megan.
Hello.
And our guest today, Peter.
Thank you. You guys are great. This is wonderful.
Yeah.
Yay!
You'll have to come by more often.
I will.
Yeah.